In this video, we will look specifically at how to find slope from triangles. Then we will determine the relationship between the two triangles based on their slope. Let's start with the green triangle first. I'm going to find the point of point P and point R, then use my slope formula to determine the slope. Point P is at -7, 7, and point R is at -4, 3. Remember, our slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. First, I will subtract y2 minus y1, which will be 3 minus 7. 3 minus 7 is -4. Then I will subtract x2 minus x1, which is -4 minus -7. -4 minus -7 is the same thing as -4 plus +7, so we will get 3. So my slope for the green triangle is -4 over 3. Now let's talk about the blue triangle. Following in its footsteps, I'm going to look at the points of point R and point T to determine the slope. Notice point R and point T are the same points that correspond with point P and point R from the green triangle. Point R is at -4, 3, and point T is at 2, -5. We will find the slope the same way. The first step I will do is to find my y2 minus y1. So that will be -5 minus 3. -5 minus 3 is -8. Then I will do my x2 minus x1, which would be 2 minus -4. 2 minus -4 is the same thing as 2 plus +4, so that'll give me 6. Notice that -8 over 6 can be reduced to -4 over 3, which is the same exact slope of the first triangle we found, -4 over 3. These triangles are similar because they have the same slope. One other way that you could find slope is just by looking at the graph and going from point P to point R. Remember, slope is rise over run. So all I would do here is count the number of rises, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the number of runs, 1, 2, 3. The green triangle is down 4, so that's -4, and run 3. Blue triangle, I can still do the same thing. Find the rise over run from point R to point T. If I count, I'm going to see there are 8 down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 6 across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, -8 over 6 can be reduced to -4 over 3.